Hi, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I got an order of the...
Yeah, you got an order.
of the MPK mini plate, which I've been dreaming of, hoping to buy, and finally I got it.
Finally, your girlfriend gifted you.
Huh? So I got the MPK mini plate. So about to start making some dope ass music. Literally. And then see what happens. So yeah, I'll be unboxing it, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing just like other YouTubers do. I hope mine is good enough for you to stick. See you. But seriously, I don't know where to start with this. I'm always messy with this things. Whoa! Come on, look at
Don't
that.
be dope. Woo!
Okay, what's inside the box? Oh my god.
There's a bag. Wow, beautiful. See at back?
The bag is so big. What the hell?
What?
I thought it's a small bag.
What does that mean?
I wanted a small bag, man.
Yeah, piano has to fit in that, right?
Yeah, but this is too big.
Is piano not that big?
No, it's not. See? See?
Yeah.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
I just wasted my money on the bag.
Oh, you paid separately for the bag?
Thinking it's one dope ass bag. Whoa. So easy. Whoa. Yay! Pam param param pam param pam 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 pam
First. Like it?
Come on, look at it.
Nice.
What?
How much was it?
12,000 something. This alone is 12,000 something, but with that stuff, it's like
This alone is 4,000.
12,000.
12,000.
There's one more stuff I didn't show. This for cleaning. For cleaning it.
This also you bought separately?
I don't know, like they are together, a combo. I don't know how they distribute this price, but the bag was actually my focus. I thought it was like small. I should have just checked the size of the bag. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Woo. Brand new, baby.
Why would you buy this for like 13,000 rupees?
You don't know the purpose. If you know the purpose, you won't be saying that. Okay, let's connect it and see. Well, there's a lot to actually do when it comes to connecting it because it's a MIDI. But the good thing is this is a MIDI play, so you can just play it out of the box.
So you can take it to your performances?
Yeah, so you can just play it out of the box. You don't need to like connect it to your computer. Normally a MIDI you have to connect to your
now
computer.
I understand. If this bag was smaller, you could fit it in your other bag.
Yeah, I
But
could just
now-
take this bag alone actually.
So you can actually put your other stuff also in this bag only and
Yeah, but
take
it's
it.
very big.
Yeah, but you have to. There is a guide also.
Whoa! Remove it, man. That's it.
Can't
volume,
hear anything.
yeah, the volume is very less for using a speaker. So the best part of using this is you connect your headphone to this and it goes crazy. So the good thing today is I have a speaker. So I'll just play it on the speaker. But yeah, so this is what I'll be using for like my performances. I can play chords and just
So you'll not be using guitar anymore?
I'll be using guitar, but I'll be using this for like loop, just background music, and there's a lot of like different sounds.
But you can either use guitar or this, right?
Yeah, you can use.
Do you think it's worth the money?
Yes, definitely. I've already read reviews, I've watched reviews on it. So we'll see what happens from Monday, and then I hope
You'll have to practice this, right?
yeah, a lot, because it's all new to me and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Nice.
it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I'll see you in other things, other unboxings.
Hey, say something about this, no? How you find it, if you like it, if you'll recommend it.
What? I like it, man. I want to use it for performance. I want to also be able to connect it to my PC and make some music, because it's a MIDI and a piano at the same time. So that's like one of the main reasons I got it for. So I have a loop pedal. It's very small. Like I use it with my guitar. So with this, it makes it easier for me to like make other sounds, because with the guitar it's very limited. You can't make every sound. Take for example, like there are some songs that have like some sounds, like some intro sounds in them. I can play that on this. Some songs have like some riffs that I can't really do on the guitar because maybe they are played on some other instruments. I can do it here because there are so many instruments here, like guitar, piano, celesta, crazy marimbas, xylophone. See, I can loop stuff like this in the background and then play with my guitar, like for performances. And then when it comes to the drums, I can like, I have a drum machine, but with this I can customize the sound. I can play like drums, the drums I really want to play. And then when it comes to using it at home, like it just works like a MIDI. So just connect it to your computer. I just connect it to my computer and then make some sounds just like a MIDI makes sounds like that. And then yeah. So that's the main reason I bought it, and I'm very happy. I mean, I already knew how it works before buying it, and I didn't expect it to be like anything else, because except maybe there's a defect from the people who send it, the people I bought it from. But normally it shouldn't. This is how it should be, like from the videos I saw and everything. And these are not videos by MPK, Akai, or whoever. It's by like YouTubers who just wanted to like try it and criticize it. So most of them criticize it a lot, but what they are criticizing it for was not really my concern. So I got it for what I want it for. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. If you want something that you can use for live performances and use at the same time use for like recording stuff, this is your plug, baby. Akai MPK Mini Play. I think it's dope. Anyone should get it. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Why am I thanking you for watching? I'm sure you enjoyed it. So I hope to see you in other videos. And bye bye. Hello. Hello. Chai pillow.